I'm going to try and keep everything on here. Alrighty. This is where you'll need a T30. I don't really want to put that on the ground because it's got grease on there. And it'll get the, whatchamacallit stuff, dirt and grime and all that. Which that's definitely something you don't want to do. Alright. There's 3 bolts holding this on. It goes on. Okay. This goes there. I don't know if I should, but anyways, since it's all, jeez. Yeah, I might need to get a new window motor. It sucks. But, see in there? Anyways, I take that off. It's down in there like this. And just crank it sideways and pull it out. Shoot. Since these gears, since the teeth on the gears are good, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it back in there. I think this is just a seal. It tore the seal up on the outside. I think it'll be alright. You know, y'all make that determination yourself. Anyways, you gotta line up those teeth. This one might be a little bit tougher just because that seal is kind of messed up. Still on that. Get everything lined up. Bang it. And put your T30s back in. Voila, you got your window regulator in, and motor. So, okay, let's go ahead and try to reinstall this and go from there.